Today I'm gonna tell you guys a silly story called Pumpkin Pants Parade. Once upon a time, in a field full of pumpkins, there was one pumpkin named Pip who had funny ideas. He wanted to wear pants, while all other pumpkins were getting excited for Halloween. Pip wobbled around shouting, I need pants! Big, baggy pumpkin pants! The other pumpkins laughed. Pumpkins don't wear pants, Pip, they said. But Pip was determined. So one night, when Farmer Fred left his clothes hanging out dry, Pip rolled over the laundry line and grabbed a pair of giant floppy pants. He wiggled and jiggled until pop, he was inside. Next morning, Farmer Fred saw Pip rolling through the field, wearing his pants. He rubbed his eyes and laughed so hard. He dropped his hat. Look at the pumpkin in pants, shouted the kids from the village as Pip rolled by. Soon all the pumpkins wanted their own pants. Pip started the first ever pumpkin pants parade, and it became a tradition every Halloween. And from that day on, Pip was known as the pumpkin with funniest ideas ever. The end. And this is how the pumpkin pant parade started. Thank you for all for listening to my story.